The National Prosecuting Authority and the South African Police Service have confirmed the National Police Commissioner Fanny Masemola has been formally summoned to appear in court in connection with controversial 360 million rand Medicare 24 tender. NPA spokesperson Kaiser Kganyago said Masemola is expected to appear before the Pretoria Magistrates Court on April 21. However, he declined to elaborate on the specific charges, citing legal constraints. Said we cannot discuss the contents of the summons at this stage. SAPS spokesperson Atlinda Mate confirmed that the summons is linked to the Medicare 24 procurement contract, which has come under intense scrutiny amid allegations of corruption. Mate stated that Masemola was served on Wednesday and will comply with the legal process, and said the National Commissioner remains committed to upholding the rule of law and will fully cooperate with all investigations, adding that Masemola welcomes due process in addressing the allegations. Meanwhile, President Cyril Ramaphosa has acknowledged the development, noting both the summons issued to Masemola and the recent arrest of 12 senior police officials tied to the same tender. In a statement, the presidency emphasized that any decisions regarding Masemola's position will be guided by due legal process. The statement said, President Cyril Ramaphosa has noted the confirmation by the National Prosecuting Authority NPA of charges against the National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, SAPS, General Fanny Masemola, in his scheduled court appearance. The president has further noted the arrest of the 12 senior police officers on a procurement-related matter. President Ramaphosa will be addressing the matter concerning General Masemola in accordance with law. The president, working together with the Minister of Police, is committed to ensuring that the SAPS remains stable and able to continue fulfilling its policing mandate. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.